Hey guys, so in this video we're talking about how to cash out your JumpTask earnings. I'll walk you through the exact steps to link Trust Wallet using Wallet Connect. Download Trust Wallet from the App Store or Play Store, create a new wallet, and secure your recovery phrase. This is essential for access later. After that, in Trust Wallet, go to Settings, Networks, and select the network that JumpTask works on, usually BNB Smart Chain. If it's not listed, add it as a custom network. After that, on your PC, visit app.jumptask.io, click your profile icon, and choose Add Wallet. A QR code will appear. In Trust Wallet, tap Settings, Wallet Connect, New Connection, and scan QR code. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection. Approve it to link your wallet. JWPT may not show automatically, so tap Add Custom Token, choose the correct network, and paste the JMPT contract address. This will ensure your balance displays correctly. And that's it. You've successfully connected Trust Wallet to JumpTask and can now withdraw your JMPT tokens. Hit like and subscribe for more wallet tutorials.